Utrecht, a city with deep historical roots and a vibrant modern culture, stands as one of the Netherlands' most captivating destinations. This central Dutch city boasts a rich history dating back to Roman times, and its well-preserved medieval old town, picturesque canals, and vibrant cultural scene make it a must-visit. In this comprehensive travel guide, we will explore 12 of the city's most notable attractions and tourist spots, offering an engaging overview of what makes Utrecht a unique and enchanting place to visit. 1. Dom Tower. Dominating the skyline of Utrecht, the Dom Tower is the tallest church tower in the Netherlands and a symbol of the city. Standing at 112 meters, this Gothic masterpiece was originally part of St. Martin's Cathedral. The tower offers an awe-inspiring view of the city, which can be accessed after climbing its 465 steps. The journey up the tower is well worth it, as it offers a unique perspective on Utrecht's history and architecture. The tower also houses an impressive set of bells, which chime beautifully and add to the tower's charm. 2. Oudegracht. The Oudegracht, or Old Canal, is the lifeblood of Utrecht's city center. This historic canal, lined with charming wharf cellars, cafes, and shops, winds its way through the heart of the city. Unlike other canals in the Netherlands, the Oudegracht features a unique split-level design, with the waterway running at a lower level than the streets and buildings above. This creates a cozy, intimate atmosphere, perfect for a leisurely stroll or a relaxing canal cruise. The canal's picturesque bridges and waterside terraces make it a quintessential Utrecht experience. 3. Museum Catharijne Convent. Museum Catharijne Convent is a fascinating museum dedicated to the religious art and cultural history of the Netherlands. Housed in a former convent, the museum's collection spans from medieval times to the present day, offering a comprehensive overview of Christian art and heritage in the region. The museum's exhibits include stunning altarpieces, illuminated manuscripts, and religious artifacts. One of the highlights is the magnificent collection of medieval sculptures and paintings, which provide a deep insight into the religious and artistic history of the Netherlands. 4. Rietveld Schroeder House. The Rietveld Schroeder House is an iconic example of modern architecture and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Designed by the Dutch architect Gerrit Rietveld for Mrs. Truus Schroeder in 1924, the house is a masterpiece of the De Stijl movement. The design emphasizes functionality, with open spaces and a seamless connection between the interior and exterior. The house is notable for its use of primary colors, geometric shapes, and innovative design concepts. Visiting the Rietveld Schroeder House offers a unique insight into the evolution of modern architecture and design. 5. Centraal Museum. The Centraal Museum is Utrecht's primary art museum, showcasing a diverse collection of works spanning several centuries. The museum's collection includes pieces from the Middle Ages to contemporary art, with a particular focus on Dutch masters such as Jan van Scorel, Joachim Puteweil, and the Utrecht Caravaggiste. The museum also houses an extensive collection of fashion, design, and city history, offering a comprehensive look at Utrecht's cultural heritage. One of the museum's highlights is the Miffy Museum, dedicated to the beloved children's book character created by Utrecht artist Dick Bruna. 6. Domplein. Domplein, or Dom Square, is the historic heart of Utrecht and a central gathering place for locals and tourists alike. The square is surrounded by some of the city's most important landmarks, including the Dom Tower, St. Martin's Cathedral, and the Domunder archaeological site. The latter offers a fascinating underground tour that takes visitors beneath the square to explore the remains of a Roman fortress and medieval church. Domplein is also a lively spot for cultural events, street performances, and outdoor markets, making it a vibrant hub of activity in the city. 7. Utrecht University. Utrecht University, one of the oldest and most prestigious universities in the Netherlands, plays a significant role in the city's cultural and intellectual life. The university's historic buildings, including the beautiful University Hall and the neoclassical Akademiegebouw, are architectural highlights in the city center. The university's botanical gardens, located in the Uithof district, offer a peaceful retreat with a diverse collection of plants, including a stunning collection of orchids and a tropical greenhouse. The university's vibrant student population contributes to the lively and dynamic atmosphere of the city. 8. Utrecht Botanical Gardens. The Utrecht Botanical Gardens, located at the Utrecht Science Park, are among the oldest and most diverse in the Netherlands. The gardens feature a wide variety of plants from different climates and regions, including a large collection of tropical and subtropical plants. The gardens are divided into several themed sections, including a rock garden, a tropical greenhouse, and a butterfly house. The gardens are a beautiful and peaceful place to explore, offering a rich tapestry of colors, scents, and textures. 9. Dutch Railway Museum. The Dutch Railway Museum, Spoorweg Museum, offers a fascinating journey through the history of rail transport in the Netherlands. The museum is housed in a former railway station and features a wide range of exhibits, including historic locomotives, carriages, and railway equipment. The museum's interactive exhibits and displays provide a hands-on experience for visitors of all ages. Highlights include a replica of the first Dutch steam locomotive, the Arend, and a collection of royal carriages used by the Dutch royal family. The museum also offers rides on vintage trains, adding to the immersive experience. 10. Tivoli Vredenburg. Tivoli Vredenburg is Utrecht's premier music venue, known for its striking modern architecture and excellent acoustics. The venue hosts a diverse range of concerts and events, from classical music and jazz to pop, rock, and electronic music. The building's unique design features several distinct concert halls, each with its own atmosphere and acoustics. Tivoli Vredenburg is a cultural hotspot in Utrecht, attracting both local and international artists and audiences. The venue also includes a cafe and restaurant, making it a popular spot for a night out in the city. 11. Wilhelminapark. Wilhelminapark is one of Utrecht's most beautiful and popular parks, offering a peaceful retreat in the heart of the city. The park is known for its picturesque lake, tree-lined avenues, and beautifully landscaped gardens. It's a favorite spot for locals to relax, have a picnic, or enjoy a leisurely stroll. The park also features a charming tea house where visitors can enjoy refreshments with a view of the park's greenery. Wilhelminapark is a perfect place to unwind and enjoy the natural beauty of Utrecht. 12. Hug Catharijne. Hug Catharijne is Utrecht's premier shopping center, offering a wide range of shops, boutiques, and eateries. The shopping center is located near Utrecht Central Station, making it a convenient spot for shopping and dining. Hug Catharijne features a mix of international brands and local shops, as well as a variety of restaurants and cafes. The center's modern design and spacious layout make it a popular destination for both locals and visitors. It's a great place to explore Utrecht's shopping scene and enjoy some retail therapy. Utrecht, with its rich history, vibrant cultural scene, and beautiful natural surroundings, offers a unique and engaging travel experience. From the iconic Dom Tower to the charming canals and vibrant shopping districts, the city is full of attractions and activities that cater to a wide range of interests. Whether you're exploring the city's historical landmarks, enjoying its cultural offerings, or simply soaking in the lively atmosphere, Utrecht promises an unforgettable journey into the heart of the Netherlands.